Hello guys, good morning everyone. Guys, this morning we got a news that gold has become the first asset to hit 30 trillion market cap. In the history, there is no other asset or no other company, has managed to reach to this level. Okay, so gold has just done what no single asset in history has ever achieved. It's now worth over $30 trillion, guys. Okay, and we will deep dive, yeah, and understand how this gold asset has gone to this. Okay, so guys, for some of the people, what is market cap? Market cap is equal to the price into quantity. Yeah, and for gold, it is above minus ground supply and into spot price. It shows the total value of all gold ever mined. And just the way, guys, gold is rising these days, yeah, you must be seeing from a couple of months the gold rally is going like crazy towards upside. Yeah, so this is the graph, guys, which I would like to tell you people. So if you multiply, guys, that by all the gold ever mined, about 216,000 tons, and you get an eye-popping 30 trillion market cap, bigger than Apple, bigger than Microsoft, and even bigger than Bitcoin combined overall. Okay, so what's driving, guys? Yeah, what's driving the goal to surpass, guys, all the record breaking levels, and market cap for gold asset class is increasing like crazy. So if you look at, guys, this graphical presentation in 2000, guys, it was below, yeah, it was below 5 trillion, 5 trillion. And if you see right now, slowly, gradually, guys, yeah, it has crossed, guys, 5 trillion to 8 9 trillion, guys, somewhere, guys, near 2010. Yeah, it was stable for some time, guys, from 2010 to 2005, long years. It was trading in consolidation. I believe there must be some people who must be accumulating here. Yeah. And if you see right now, for 5 long years, yeah, it was in consolidation. No, guys, no major gains found out here. And guys, from 2015, the pickup that has taken by this gold asset has never looked back. If you see right now, from 2015, it has crossed 10 trillion, and after that 12, 13, yeah, 14, 15, and guys, from last couple of months, guys, gold has been growing like crazy. If you see right now this graphical presentation, yeah, I hope you must have understood. So guys, in the history, this has been the history that has been made today in the history. Yeah. Now, if you see right now, gold alone is now roughly one fourth the size of the global stock market, and it's more valuable than all cryptocurrencies put together. If you understand, whether you love it or not, guys, or whether you doubt it, gold just reminded the world why it's called the kind of asset. Yeah, like king of assets, a safe haven buying. Yeah, always, guys. So I hope you people must have understood. So if you see right now, if there are some companies, guys, by market capitalization, gold 28 trillion plus it has crossed. Now it has today, it has crossed 30 million. So the next company is Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Bitcoin, guys, combined all it's 2.2 trillion. So if you understand where the gold is standing at the moment. Okay, so if you see right now, guys, it is the stock that we have right now is almost, guys, 200,000 tons. Yeah, spot price you must be knowing, guys. Yes, currently it has gone above $4,000. Yeah, implied cap, guys, is US 27 to 30 trillions. And guys, this is now trading as the world largest cap, guys. Yeah, capped asset. Okay, so there are some, guys, figures here which are important for all you people to understand. So guys, that we need to understand this right now. What are the key drivers, guys, behind the surge of gold prices? Price appreciation, low annual supply growth, because it's a safe haven demand. Everybody, guys, is investing in gold these days, gold and silver, and that is why the prices are rising up. Even, guys, we have heard that China is investing in gold and silver massively. Yeah, so this is also a very important thing, guys. Gold, now a structural part of global wealth, reinforces diversification hedge utility. Central banks diversify into gold, reflects changing global monetary dynamics. These are, guys, some thing, and we have limitations also, guys. Not all gold is liquid tradable. Market cap varies by assumption. Gold has no yield, value from perception, risk, sentiment, and inflation expectation. It means now, guys, gold and silver prices have reached to that level wherein we might see little correction. But, guys, believe me, the way it is going upside, yeah, guys, this happens once in a blue moon. So if you have missed the rally, guys, yeah, understand, wait for some correction, guys, and it will keep on going upside. Yeah. So when it was, guys, around $3,500, people thought that it has risen so much. When it has gone to, guys, $3,800, people still thought that it has risen so much. When it has hit, guys, $4,000 also, now people are still thinking it has risen too much, and they're waiting for correction, and they miss the rally, guys. Yeah. So, guys, understand, every day when the lows are intact, yeah, it means it is not going to fall. Yeah, so please understand. I hope, guys, this must have added the value in your knowledge. Yeah, if you liked it, guys, so please like and subscribe, and mention in the comment box that, guys, what did you learn. Yeah, thank you so much.